Hello everybody and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru and today I'm gonna tell you about the basics of Excel. So the first thing we're gonna discuss is what is a cell. This rectangular box that you see which is getting highlighted right now is called a cell. In Excel it is called a cell. It is used to enter or store a value, like I'm storing a numeric. You can even store alphabet over here. You can even store numbers over here. So this is a cell, and it has a reference address. Every cell has a unique address which can be used to enter formulas or create references. Like the address for this cell is E4. You see, E is highlighted and 4 is highlighted over here. So this is the address of this particular cell. So column E, row 4. Same way, the address of this cell would be G7. Alright, next we come to what is a column. This vertical stack is called a column. C, D, E, F, G, H. This is a column. You can select multiple columns also. Just click on your left mouse button and scroll right. So you can select all these together. If you this is how you can select a cell column. See, a column is a vertical stack. Alright, top to bottom or bottom to top, either which way. And then how to add a column? To add a column, what you need to do is click on the column header, which is the CDE. Click here and this complete column gets highlighted, and you can do a right click and insert. So a new column gets added. See, 123 would shift now to G. See, this 123 as of now was on F, now it is on G. It is now on G, it will move to H because a new column is getting inserted over here. See, same way we can delete a column like this. Click on the header, select the complete column and click on delete. There is one more way to enter a column, add a new column, is Control plus. See, Control plus. I am deleting them. How to delete a column? Well, select the column and just click delete. Now, what is a row? A horizontal stack of data or values is called a row. From left to right, we call it a row. So, row is 6. This is a row. 7. This is a row. 8. You can select multiple rows at a time also. Simple. I have taught you how to select using the mouse. Now we can know how to select using the keyboard. Excuse me. Select the row, press shift and use the arrow keys to select either up or down. Alright. You can also select using the keyboard shortcut key. Control space would select the column, and shift space would select the row. Shift and space pressed together would select the row. Control and space pressed together will select the column. You can also insert columns the way we saw earlier. Insert. Insert. There is another way. Control plus. Control plus. You can delete it also like this. Delete. Or Control minus. What is a range? Well, a collection of cells is called a range. Like this collection of cells is called a range. Now see what is highlighted? Column C and rows 4 till 15. So column C 4 till 15 is a range. ranges can be named also specifically. So as of now, I'll not go into depth about it. In my another video, I have covered what is a range, how to name it, and how to use it in your formulas. How to insert value. Now, how to insert value in a cell can be direct. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Sorry, I typed in Q, W, E, R, and symbols. This, and usually it is also used to denote abusive language, right? And there is one more way how to insert value. Say it is much more than just typing data. Excel can do that much more for you. See, I'll show you something. Sorry. See, now I want to say insert letter B over here, but I don't want to change any of these numbers. I want them to be shifted down automatically while I insert B over here. How do I do that? I click over here, right click, and click on insert, and it gives me an option, shift cell down. So I click on OK. These cells have shifted down, and now I can type in B or anything else. See, this is so easy. And there is another option to this. I right click it, click on insert, and shift cells right. So this 2 will come here, this B will come here. See, this becomes empty. See, and also if I click on insert, I can insert a complete row. Click OK, a complete row gets inserted. I can also insert a column. Insert a column. Okay, a new column gets inserted. I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo what I have done. Ctrl Z. Control is the CTRL button. Same way, we can delete using this. Shift cell up. This 2 would be deleted, and this 3, 4 would come up. See? Isn't it cool? Yes, it is. And what does else do? Delete, shift cells left. It will delete it and do it like this. I'll bring it back. Delete and entire row. So this complete row number 6 would get deleted. Click OK and it's gone. To bring it back, I'll simply press Ctrl Z. Abracadabra, and here it is. And we can delete a complete column also. The complete column is gone. See? I bring it back. That's what I can do. I can take away things, bring them back. Haha. And there's one more way of deleting things. And say you have selected this. You want to delete it. You can also click on clear contents of this. Sorry. Select this. Clear contents, and this 3 is gone. So if somebody says delete a value from a cell without pressing delete, so you now know what to do. Right click on that and press clear contents. Or if you want to do it by using a shortcut key, right click and N. See? How to, and simple delete, press delete and it will go like this. You want to delete a row, simply select a row and delete it. You can press Ctrl minus or simply delete. The complete data is gone. And how to copy, very important in Excel. How to copy? Well, copying is very easy. Say I've selected, we'll copy something else. Let's write something first. Let's write you are a good student. See, we can increase the size by clicking over here. you are a good student. So we have written this. We want to copy it from here and take it to here. So we will simply go here, press Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C, and choose the destination by clicking the cell where we want to paste it, and press Ctrl V. We got it. Now press Escape to unselect this. Now again highlight this cell, right click it and click on copy. See, again it gets highlighted. That means it's ready to be copied. Select the place you want to paste it, right click it and click on paste. There is one more way of doing it, which is simply Ctrl X, select the place you want to place it and click paste. See, this has gone from here now. It was cut and paste. Copy and paste is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Cut and paste is Ctrl X and Ctrl V. So let's bring it back. So this was cut, copy, paste. How to edit data? Okay. Well, to edit data in Excel, if you have highlighted a cell and if you think you can edit it right here, well, to some extent you are right and to a large extent you are wrong. If you start typing something new here, the old data would go away. So you need to double click here. Double click gives you this bar cursor over here, and you can type in, say I'll type in a full stop. So now I was able to edit it by double clicking it, or simply I select this cell and go to this edit bar, formula bar, and now start typing anything. You are a good student. Good job. Now keep it up. Okay. We want to resize it, simply double click on this sign, keep it up. So I was able to edit it like this. Or there is one more way. You can simply select the cell and press F2. This address bar, this cursor would come up. Now you can edit it. I have deleted it. See, I can again resize it. So this is how you can edit data. How to insert a comment? Well, how to insert a comment? You simply select the place where you want to insert a comment, right click it, click on insert comment and type in study hard and party harder. That is the motto of life. Study hard and party harder. Oh, where's the comment gone? Well, it is not gone. It's just been hidden from direct view. You see this red color indication mark over here? Whenever you hover your mouse over this cell, this comment would show up. Study hard and party harder. You want to make it visible permanently, you can do that. You can simply click on this link on this cell and it will become visible, or you want to make it permanently visible, you simply click on show hide comment. So now it is there. You can even resize it. Say I can resize it. See, I can take it to a different location where it will show it is linked to this cell, and I can even edit it. Right click the cell which is containing the comment and click on edit comment. You can type in, say, an exclamation mark. I want to hide it again so that it is visible only upon hovering the mouse. So it is hidden again. So I've taught you how to edit a comment also. So this was our lesson on basic Excel 1. There would be another lesson 2, basic Excel 2, wherein we will be covering a few more basic concepts regarding Excel. Well, I hope you liked it. Well, you can go to my website myelesson.org and you'll find that there are training videos on so many other things also. I hope this session was useful to you. So until the next video, this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.